Beloved ones, your question is of great import at this time, for it is imperative that as many of you as possible bring back into your awareness the long-lost faculty of telepathic communication, not only with each other, but also with the higher realms. It is vital so that each of you gains the ability to receive direct information where needed. There will be coming events of a critical import, in which time will be of the essence, and therefore the only way information and instruction can be distributed is through direct contact with each individual, every soul, every person. It will not be possible to tell one channel and expect the information to be directed to all in their circle or to those involved. It does not matter whether it is received through intuition or telepathic contact direct, but each person must tune into his own inner voice or transmission station. Now, as to how this is best accomplished, first there must be the desire, a strong and dedicated desire which gives us permission to work with each being individually. When we say us, we mean your guides, your teachers, your angelic helpers, the beings of light within the higher realms. Second, there must be a clearing process, a discipline of the mind. In other words, the ability to sit quietly and wait in the silence for the gentle nudgings of communication to begin, to become a receiver. Each person must dedicate to him or herself to the highest truth and to the unselfish dissemination of information. The ego must be brought into balance or tamed so that the messenger will realize that the information is through them and not of them. They will become a conduit through which the information flows. The quality and the truth of the information will depend on the degree to which they are able to set aside their ego and conscious mind. It is vitally important there must be a purity of heart and purpose, a dedication of will to accomplish or develop or redevelop this ability, and then the faith to trust your abilities. You must also use your discernment as to whether or not the information is to become your truth. Trust your heart monitor, which means, does the information ring true? Does it feel heartwarming and expansive? Or is it fearful, negative, controlling, or disempowering? As an exercise, we would suggest to sit quietly and surround yourselves with a protective light. Pay homage to the God Force or Father, Mother God. Ask your higher self and mighty I Am presence for the teacher or messenger most compatible with your energies to come forth to work with you now. In the unseen realms, there are those who have their specialties, just as on your earth. You cannot expect to bring forth mathematical equations when you do not even understand algebra, or medical terminology, or detailed musical information, if you do not already have this vocabulary or talent within your memory bank. It would be too difficult for the teacher to convey this information through you. There are those who already are knowledgeable in these areas or aspects of endeavor, and it is best left to those who have these abilities. Then you can read or seek out what they have channeled. What each of you should endeavor to develop is the ability to convey or receive information pertinent to yourselves and those within your immediate circle. Everyone is not destined to be a channel or a cosmic telepath receiver of great information to be disseminated to the masses. The next step would be to develop the ability to place your consciousness in your crown chakra and then 8 or 10 inches above. Lift your spirit, so to speak, feel your consciousness rise to meet the masters. Leave your bodily awareness behind and reach up into the ethers. We will feel your energy and we will begin to work with you. It will feel as if you are reaching upward, but it is really a turning inward process. It may be a gentle nudging at first, but they will get stronger if you persist. Also, have specific questions in mind in the beginning. Join us in bringing back the real world, dear ones, a world of joy, a world of love, beauty and peace, a world where we can interact freely and joyfully with you, and where you will have your validation as to our existence. We await your endeavors, we await your questions, we await more joyous interactions with all of you. Come with us now, hear the music, and the singing of the spheres. Come with us and flow in the ebb tide of cosmic consciousness, where the universal God-mind resides, and where all things will be known to you. We have patiently awaited your awakening. It is time. Come now. Know that you are loved and cherished by Archangel Michael and the Masters. And so it is.